How to remove CapCut template watermark. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily remove your CapCut templates watermark. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The first thing you have to do is open up your CapCut and make sure that you're logged in. And then from here you can simply head over to the templates tab. So once you tap on templates, you can just choose any template that you want to upload your video on. So for example, if I just choose this template right here, go ahead and tap on use template. Now you can select any video you want from your gallery. So I'm just going to choose this random one and then tap on next. So once you do that, what you can do is simply tap on export. So once the template is applied to your video, click on export. So now once you tap on export, you have an option to export without watermark. So what you can do is first try to go to TikTok. So it will help you export without watermark. So it will open up your TikTok first. Now, as you can see here, it has opened up my TikTok here. And then I have an option to tap on next and then post this video. So what you can do is tap on drafts and save it on your drafts. Now you can go to your draft section. So to stay on TikTok, head to your profile picture and then tap on drafts. Now you can download your video from here. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.